In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade from one version of Climsoft to another version. Now, the first step is to check your current version of Climsoft, the version you are using currently. In my case here, if I come here to Climsoft and double click to check the version I'm using, just log in normally. And once it is open, you can see that I'm using Climsoft version 4.1.5. Let's assume I receive an email notification which is inviting me to upgrade to the latest version. So just go to my email and see the message. And then we normally share the link pointing to the website. So if you follow the link, you'll be able to see the latest release. So normally the latest release is on the top of the page. So now you can see your current version is version 4.1.5, but now they're inviting you to release to the latest version, which is version 4.1.6. And we normally give the details of what is new in the latest release. Like in this one, you can see it is now possible to do the rainy days product. There's a big improvement on the product selection. There's also an improvement on the software security. So there is no need to set permission on this folder. So now to be able to receive all this improvement, you need to upgrade your software to the latest version. So how to do this? If you look here, we have three files. Here there is a setup for the 32-bit operating system. Here we have this full setup for 64-bit. And here we have an upgrade for all the versions. So this upgrade applied for computers for 64-bit and 32-bit. And you can see it's a small file, less than 20 megabytes. So because you are already having Climsoft on your machine, you are having this version. So to upgrade to this version, the file you need here is this one called upgrade. So what you do is to just to select on it to download it. So once you select, you click on it, so it will be downloaded as you can see here. So and normally by default, when you download a file, it goes to the download folder. So after downloading this, we'll go to the download folder to check our file there. So give it a time. This one will depend with the speed of your computer. And here you will be able to download the folder. Now, I mean the file. But what you need to note is this. The upgrade does not interfere with your database. So this one will just upgrade your application, so your interface, and will add missing items. So this one will not touch on your data. It will not touch on the database or on the data stored in the database. So this one will just upgrade the software interface. This one is very important. So here you need to keep to make sure you allow it to. So I can see here it is just done. So if you go to the folder, you can see now you have this file. Now, if you check once again your software, you will be able to see that you are using Climsoft version login. you are using Climsoft version 4.1.5. So this is what I'm using. But now I want to upgrade it to version 4.1.6. So it is very simple, just a simple process. So you make sure you close completely Climsoft, and then you go to the download folder, and then you double click. So you don't need to, you can decide to run it as an administrator. It's not a problem, but here what you need to do is just double click on this one to run this software. And here, are you sure? Here you accept that you want to run this upgrade. So once you click on run, and then here you accept because you trust the source of this software. You decide you want to upgrade in which language. Here I want to upgrade in English. I click OK. And then you can see this dialog which say that you are going to upgrade. So you are going to install Climsoft 4.1.6. So it was 1.5. Now you are going to upgrade to 4.1.6. If you click next, and then you accept the license, next. It shows you the path, next. It says this folder is already existing. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Here we say yes because we want to keep the same folder. Click yes to accept, and then it's going to overwrite the shortcut on the desktop. Yes, click next. Here it shows the details. Yes, it shows that it's going to install this software here at the same place, and it's going to create to overwrite the icon at the desktop. This is your shortcut, which is okay, and then you say install, and that's it. So next, and then finish. So this is you are done. So this is you have done with your upgrading process. So the next step is to check now if really your system has been upgraded. So before it was at version 4.1.5, now it is supposed to be at version 4.1.6. How do we check this? To check this, you just open Climsoft again, and then you log in normally with your credentials, username and password, and then when it populates, you'll see that now it is version 4.1.6. It's no longer version 4.1.5. It is now Climsoft version 4.1.6. That is, so you've upgraded successfully. Thank you very much.